And here it is, the Xiaomi Mi Band 6 in all its glory. Holy smoke, this screen looks amazing. Hello and welcome to DTech. Today we are talking about the Xiaomi Mi Band 6, so stay with me to find out more. There is an interesting fact. Talking about Xiaomi products, I'm the most excited in every single year when they are announcing their Mi Bands. Why? Most probably because no other company can deliver this much for that price. This band costs around 220 lays, which is around 50 euros or 65 dollars. And this is just amazing. You cannot get another band from another company which delivers this much for this price. And trust me, there's a lot to see here. So first of all, let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so what we got here? Yep, this is the Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 6 and this packaging looks gorgeous. It has a matte black finish to it with a glowing Mi Band and a glowing 6 on it. So yeah, pretty good job Xiaomi. Okay, so let's get in the box and let's see what we got here. So as we open the box, we can see that we have another kind of white paper here. And right away we have our smart band. We also have some cables here, the charging cable. Let's see. And nonetheless we have some paperwork, I guess. Let's just see it. Yeah, oh my god. I think that this book has all the information about the Xiaomi company as well. Is someone still using books like this? Let me know into the comment section, I'm curious about this. Okay, so let's get to our smart band. And here it is, the Xiaomi Mi Band 6 in all its glory. Holy smoke, this screen looks amazing. The Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 6 has a 1.56-inch AMOLED display with 326 pixel per inch density and a display brightness up to 450 nits. It has a high precision 6-axis sensor and a PPG heart rate sensor as well. Its battery life is around 14 days, but I guess that this could easily go to like 30 days. It has more than 30 fitness modes and it is also monitoring the heart rate, the woman's health, sleep, stress, and it has a bunch of things like breathing exercise, pay vitality index, idle alert, sleep counter, and goal settings. The strap material is TPU, the strap buckle material is aluminum alloy, and the display cover material is tempered glass with anti-fingerprint coating. Talking about other features, this band is capable of receiving call notifications and message notifications. It also has the function to the app alerts, calendar, alarm, clock, stopwatch, timer, music control, and a lot of other cool things. To be honest with you, what I really love about this band is the alarm function. Now, starting with the Mi Smart Band 6, you can set your own alarms using your smart band. You no longer need to go to your phone to set the alarm, you can just simply set it from your band. This thing is probably available due to the big screen, which is again really nice. The Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 6 weighs 12.8 grams and it is waterproof up to 5 ATMs. Its operating temperature is from 0 to 45 degrees Celsius, and the supported systems are the Android 5.0 or iOS 10.0 and above. Talking about the charging, we can see that we got a magnetic cable here. So this cable looks just like the cable of the Xiaomi Mi Band 5, and it should be magnetic. Oh yeah, it is. This is another plus point for this device. Okay, so let's see. The connection to the Mi Fit app is seamless, and you can also use the Mi Fit app to personalize your smartband. You can change your wallpaper, you can even take a picture and put that as your wallpaper, and there are a lot of other settings there which may be useful for you. If you would like to see a video about the useful settings for the Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 6, just let me know into the comment section, and I will make one. Why not? So this was it about the Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 6. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget the subscribe button is just one click away from you. Thanks again, and let's talk soon.